Ever spent hours searching through directories to find a specific file? Today, we're going to unlock the power of the find command, a one-liner that can save you countless hours on Linux and Unix systems. Stick around to become a file-searching ninja. Searching for files by name is one of the most common tasks. Let's start by finding all files named error log. In the following example, we'll search from the root directory for files named error log. Here, / specifies the starting directory, the root of the file system. --type F tells find to look for files. --name error log searches for files named exactly error.log. What if you're unsure about the case of the file name? You can perform a case-insensitive search. For example, to search for config.cfg without worrying about case sensitivity, you can use following command. The -iname option makes the search case insensitive. This will find all the following combinations. Need to find all files with a specific extension? Let's find all log files in the current directory and its subdirectories. The dot indicates that we're starting the search in the current directory. *.log matches all files ending with .log. You can also search for directories. Suppose you want to find all directories named backup under /var. Here's how you do it. Using -type details find command to search for directories instead of files. If you're looking to identify large files that might be consuming disk space, you can search by file size. For example, to find all files larger than 100 megabytes, the -size plus 100M option finds files larger than 100 megabytes. Perhaps you need to find files that were modified recently. To find files modified in the last 2 days within the /var/log directory, use following. -m time -2 finds files modified less than 2 days ago. The find command becomes even more powerful when you execute commands on the files it locates. For example, to delete all .tmp files in the /tmp directory, run the following. Here -exec rm curly braces \semicolon tells find to execute the rm command on each file found. The curly braces pair is a placeholder for each file, and \semicolon indicates the end of the command. But be cautious. This command will permanently delete files. You can combine multiple conditions for more precise searches. Suppose you want to find all .log files larger than 50 megabytes in /var/log. This command helps you locate large log files, which can be useful for managing disk space. Let's look at a real-world scenario. Imagine your server is running low on disk space, and you need to archive old log files. Step 1. Find log files older than 30 days. And time plus 30 finds files modified more than 30 days ago. Step 2. Archive them into a tar file. This command adds each found file to oldlogs.tar. Best practices. Test your commands first. Before executing commands that modify or delete files, run find without the exec option to see which files will be affected. Use quotation marks. Enclose your patterns in quotes to prevent the shell from interpreting wildcards. Check permissions. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to search directories and execute commands on the files. You've just unlocked the power of the find command. This one-liner tool can save you hours by efficiently locating files and performing actions on them. And if you found this helpful, check out our video on grep one-liner. Every dev needs to further enhance your command line skills.